Hi, I'm Mishi and I make MixItUp tutorials. A while ago, I made a daily check-in channel point redeem using MixItUp. It was a lot of fun and my chat really seems to enjoy redeeming it. One problem is that I had some people in the comments of the tutorial asking, hey, is there a way to make specific types? For example, mine are daily cookies, so every day my chat can redeem one channel point for a single cookie. So the goal is, how can I make it where, let's say they redeem a cookie and one day it says chocolate chip cookie and then the next stream it says white macadamia nut cookie. That's what we're going to be doing. If you want to make your own daily channel point redeem, go check out the link in the description below or up top. That's a very short and easy video on how to create this whole thing, because for this video, we're just going to talk about how to make the specific ingredients for it. So let's jump into it. The first thing we have to do is open up a notepad on our PC. If you don't know how to do that, just go in your search bar at the bottom, type notepad, and it should pop up with something like this. I'm going to be using my example of a daily cookie. There's different types of cookies. I'm just going to go ahead and list them on each line. For example, we like chocolate chip, and then I'm going to hit enter, and maybe we'll do something like matcha, or white mocha, or ube. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep writing all the different ingredients on this list. I have quite a bit, as you can see. I tried to do a variety. You can do as many as you want. It's really up to you. Then I'm gonna hit file, and I'm gonna hit save as. And somewhere in our files, you're gonna wanna name this something very easy. For example, I'm gonna name this cookie flavors. And I want you to save this somewhere that's really easy for you. For example, I have a MixItUp folder, so I'm gonna save it there. Once you've done that, we're gonna open up our actual MixItUp program. In the top left, you're gonna hit the hamburger icon, and you're gonna look for Twitch channel points. Again, we already made the daily redeem. If you haven't done that yet, check out the link in the description below. Let's keep going. Find your daily redeem and hit edit command. We already have consumables at the top and the chat message. Now we're going to be adding another action. We're going to select File, Read, and Write. Hit the plus button and hit the up arrow so it's all the way at the top. For the action, we're going to select Read Random Line from File. And for the file path, we're going to look for the notepad that we just wrote. I'm going to select this one and hit Open. For this special identifier name, we have to name it. I'm gonna name mine Flavor. When you're done, you're gonna minimize that, and then we're gonna go to our chat message. This is the chat message that we have that pops up in chat whenever they redeem it. We have to find a way to add the actual ingredient flavor. I'm probably gonna add it at the end. I'll do something like enjoy your, and then I'll type $ flavor cookie. That should be it. You're gonna hit the save icon at the bottom. Now let's test it to make sure the flavors actually show up. Open a chat message of your channel somewhere you can see, and then we're gonna look for the play button next to our daily redeem. It's gonna say test command. Click that, hit test command, and now it says, Mishirar has checked in with their daily cookie. They now have 355 cookies. Enjoy your biscotti cookie. If you want to try it again, hit the play button once more. Now I have oatmeal raisin. That's pretty much it. I hope this was easy to follow and you have a lot of fun with it. Again, play around with it, and if at any point you're lost on how we got to this point, check out the actual tutorial link below. Have a good one!